I think it's right around the corner. We're stuck in traffic.
We will know in a moment.
Is that the dam over there? It's a bridge.
I'm not sure. It looks like a bridge.
That's some crazy scenery. Wow. I think we're a good little ways away, a couple miles.
I don't know.
Well, it's recording, so it must be doing something. Oh man. That's part of it. That's not it, but that's part of it. Now that is it. It's right over there. Look at this big old bridge coming here, man. I'm gonna have a wreck. Look at that joker.
Wow.
That is one.
It's not a bridge. It's that's holding up the walls so it doesn't cave in.
Boy, that is. They're putting. Oh, is that road going over it?
Yeah.
That's the road.
It is.
They are built. That's a bridge they're building.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Well, how'd you like to fall off of that?
I don't think I'd like to. All right.
It's somewhere in between.
Oh, here's the bridge.
Look, there's a stretcher. For when somebody falls off of there, so they can carry off what's left of it. Yeah, there's the dam. Oh, I think I see what they're doing now. Just kind of see what's around it.
Well, it is extremely hot out here, and that
looks amazing.
That is the Hoover Dam. You can't see any water from this angle.
Building that bridge.
And that's the bridge they're going to put a road over. Not over, but through here.
นั่นไงเห็นน้ำยับอยู่ตรงนู้นอ่ะถ้าอยู่ชั้นนี้ยังเห็นหน่อยเพราะมันออกมาถึงถนนนู้นไงแต่เมื่อกี้เราได้ชั้น4นี่ชั้น3เนี่ยนะเราออกไปตรงนั้นยังเห็นไอ้ตรงนั้นแหละ
This is a valve house.
All right, you ready?
There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2.
I'm falling.
Valves. These valves allow us to
You get a feeling of falling off
the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever
Why are you
needed.
guys smiling?
Above the valve houses, stretching a few times, the crane is used to
I don't think I want to be too close to that thing or it's lightning. That's awesome.
looking at these canyons.
Really?